If you get a lot of leads on WhatsApp, then you know how difficult it is to save and organize them. InTouchApp introduces auto prefix that will automatically add date, month, and year to your contact's name, saving you a lot of time and effort. Let me show you how. Just click on auto. Then after clicking here, you will see it on WhatsApp web. Here, InTouchApp has introduced this feature where if you want to save contact with date in the name or if you want to save month in the name, you can select it directly. So what will happen is when you select month-wise, this here will reflect the current month. So it will select April 2024. And as soon as May comes, it will automatically change to May 2024. If you select this DD completely, if you select this prefix, then here is an example 30th April 2024. So tomorrow, the prefix date will automatically change to 1st May 2024 and then to 2nd May 2024 likewise. If you want to add your own prefix, like if you want to write lead and then give the date, you can add the date after a space. And if you want to put a slash after the space, you can add the slash and then the month. What this will do is indicate which date and month your lead came in. You have to add this here, so the prefix is created this way. So how will the lead be saved now? It will save as lead 30th April, and tomorrow it will automatically change to lead 1st May and then lead 2nd May. Let's check how this works. You have to start saving it now. Select scan now and then save now. So the contacts have been saved. Let's search and see how the contact we saved as lead has been saved. You can check lead 30th April and the rest of the number appears. In the same way, if tomorrow is the 1st, it will change to lead 1st May, then lead 2nd May, and lead 3rd May. This will automatically keep updating your date. The prefix is completely customizable. You can use text, special characters, and date, month, year in any sequence. I hope you enjoyed this new feature.